YouTube with Jeff from the Fresh Keys. Thumbs up to subscribers. Check this out. I'm responding to a 1999 RX350 customer. Lost the remote fob on this one. Just has the blade on it. And this one, the blade was dropped or broke and no longer can start the car. So we're going to come out here and cut and program another one, and we'll be right back. YouTuber, check this out. We're back. Here is the broken shells, broken key to all tape up. We're out here to make a chip key, a backup key for her, in addition to the remote key. So let's go ahead and test it out. Make sure this is done properly. Here's your lock, and here's your unlock. Boom! Look how nice that is. Let's go ahead and test these keys inside the ignition. Make sure this is done by Low Price Keys team. We're also located throughout the United States. All you need to do is give us a text or give us a call, and we'll come out and take a look at it and give you very low price keys. Let's go ahead and test the first keys. Put the ignition right there. Turn the dash on. Boom! Start the car. Very nice. I also convinced her to have a backup key just in case something happened, so that we don't have to come back out here again. And here is the second backup key. Turn the dash on. Starts the car. Look how nice that is. Very nice, very nice, guys. Don't wait too late to lose this type of key. Otherwise, you'll be out of pocket. Jeff for Low Price Keys. I can be reached at 281-250-4334. Also, we're located throughout the United States. Have one car key, get an extra one maybe before it's too late. Thanks for following us online, and have a blessed day.